Alrighty, what is up? So I'm going to be showing y'all how to take off a logo, a BMW logo, obviously, on a BMW 325i. But this is pretty standard. This is pretty standard around 2000, 1990s, around there. It's pretty standard to a certain point, most all BMWs, it's going to be the same process, and it's going to be the same type of the way that it's put on. So first thing first, find you some sort of pry tool. If you have just like a screwdriver or something like that, make sure to put something, cardboard, a rag or something, to pry it slowly so you don't damage the paint, and don't put too much force so you don't want to crack it. You don't want to leave scratches, things like that. I have Tappan. This is the best thing to use is plastic pry bars. Try to avoid using any screwdriver or anything metal, because that could damage your paint, scratch, of course, all that goodness. So I have here, of course, a plastic pry tool, which I think is the best thing to do. You can find these on Amazon for very cheap. But first thing you're going to do, it's actually going to be really simple, is as you can see, it's really loose there. Pop that out. You want to get that under here. There you go. Easy as that. Now it is off. As you can see, it's all brittle and cracked. And then right here, if you want, it's just a preference thing, but clean behind it. Doesn't really matter, but I'm gonna do that real quick. Alright, so now that you have it clean and whatnot, you got the new emblem here. As you can tell, huge difference. Let me grab the other one. There's the old, there's the new. Old, and the new. Oh yeah. So, let's get going with it. So you just simply place over the tabs. Sometimes these may break. You'll have to buy these. Sometimes the emblem will come with them, depending on where you get it from and whatnot. But these little clips occasionally might break, and you might have to replace these. Easy to do. You pop them in. Simple as that. These ones didn't break, thankfully. They're still there and whatnot. So all we need to do is place the logo and just press down. It's as simple as that. Apply even pressure. And there you go, just like that. And just like that, it is installed. Easy as that. A very easy process. Thanks for watching.